are all the fishes, numbers, shapes, and animals go? Can you help me find them?
Okay. Theo, play and learn. Hi. They are all the animals and shapes and bumpers and twisting. And let's take this one. What good oats? Oh. Oopsie.
Find first.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
I found it. I got the elephant face.
We can do the elephant next.
This one. Different.
Whoa.
An owl.
Owl? Okay,
Yeah.
let's find owl.
Ding, ding, ding. Oops, you had to get whip.
You're so fast. Wow.
And bear.
Bear? Okay.
Which
Which
one?
is?
There.
Whoa.
And zebra?
Zebra?
Zebra is no. Old man, what is missing?
Mouth is missing. What is this one here?
Snail.
Where does the snail go?
Over there.
Whoa.
Now the sheep.
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 Where is the sheep?
The sheep. Sheep. Next is fox. Fox.
It's a fox.
Fox.
What is this one?
Idea.
But they look the same with alligator. This one is a crocodile. Whoa.
And lion.
Lion.
What's that?
Hedgehog. Same with blue sonic. Blue sonic is a hedgehog.
Who's on the grass slope?
It's a hedgehog animal.
Turtle animal. What?
But this one is a brown sonic.
Wow. Now all the shapes.
All the shapes. Are you ready for the first shape?
Let's go.
Where is it?
Hey. So it's square.
Square.
Now it's triangle.
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 Triangle. Where is the star?
Then star.
Tiane.
Nana. Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Hide. And what's that?
What is this?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
What's that?
What's next?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
And Romus.
Where is it?
Diamond Romus. Diamond Romus.
Diamond or rhombus. The last shape is
Comb.
cone.
Come.
Can you tell me again the shapes?
Circle. Square.
Square.
Triangle. Star. Trapezoid. Height. Pentagon.
This one is pentagon and this one is hexagon.
Hexagon. Pentagon. Diamond. Rhombus. Comb.
Cone. What is the next?
Bandit.
Numbers.
Find one.
Yeah, can you find the one? Which one? Which one? Where is number 1?
There.
1. Next number
2.
2.
One more 2. And 3.
3.
Do hide this one.
You need to flip?
Okay. Next is 4.
4.
Oh, baby again. Oh, it's 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
9.
10.
10.
And fish. It's fish time.
Fishing time. What is this color?
Red.
Can you find the red fish? Hmm? Whoa!
I found it! Magic. And we didn't get it.
What is the next color?
Orange.
Orange. Whoa!
Yeah.
Oopsie! I picked.
Jump. This one.
Is that in the?
9.
Yeah, correct now. Next fish is?
This one.
You want the blue one first?
Do the try
Mm-hmm.
over there.
Yeah, correct. Next is
This one.
the yellow.
Yellow one. Hey, next is purple.
You want purple first?
Okay.
Purple or violet? I think this is violet.
Think this violet. This one. Think is. Now it's pink.
Pink. Oh, oopsie.
Bye, I got.
Hmm. Last one.
Oh, is this one.
Whoa.
Oopsie. Ah.
Okay. Can you tell me the colors again?
Red, orange, yellow, white, blue, dark blue.
Dark blue. What color is this one?
Pink,
Pink.
purple,
Purple or violet?
violet, light green, light green.
Light green. Yay!
Bye bye.
Is it funny?
It's so cold.
Mm.
Oh. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.